Hello, welcome to EXAI's editor. In this video, we will show you on how to edit your mobile menu. The mobile menu is located at the top of the mobile page. To edit the menu, hover over it and click the pencil icon. You will see drag and drop menu at the top left with a list of icons and you can add to the menu, including navigation menu icon, link to the home page icon, click to call icon, click to email, and click location map icon. To add the icons, simply select one from the drag and drop menu and drag it to the preferred location. When selected, the icon has red border around it. To edit a selected icon, click on the pencil icon above. You can upload image as icon in the select image sub-menu. Click on upload icon and choose the preferred image. To save changes, click Done and back. Drag and drop another menu icon and click on the pencil icon to edit. Go to Style submenu Editor and click on the text icon to edit. Set the font size to set the size of the icon. Choose Color from the color picker and click Done and back to save your changes. Click on the bucket to set the background color of the icon. Set the color by choosing one from the color picker. Click on the border icon to choose side and set the color and the width of the border. You can also set the height of the icon in the marked area. Once you're done, click Done and back. Click to edit the menu bar's icon. Go to Style submenu and click on the text icon. Set the size of the icon, then choose Color from the color picker. Once you're done editing, click Done and back.